Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. That's been gaining a lot of attention lately: the incredible benefits of ginger and its active ingredients. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's get started. Ginger has been used for centuries as both a spice and a medicinal herb, and it's packed with numerous health benefits. The magic lies in its active ingredients, so let's explore them. Gingerol. This is the primary bioactive compound in ginger responsible for its distinct spicy flavor and many health benefits. Shogaol. Formed when ginger is dried or cooked, shoal possesses potent antioxidant properties. Zingerone, another essential compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Gingerdione. This active ingredient contributes to ginger's ability to combat oxidative stress in the body. Now that we know about the active ingredients, let's discuss the amazing health benefits of ginger. Health benefits: 1. Digestive aid. Ginger can help ease indigestion, reduce bloating, and alleviate nausea and vomiting. Anti-inflammatory. Its active ingredients, especially gingerol, exhibit powerful anti-inflammatory properties, potentially beneficial for people with arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Immune booster. Ginger's antioxidants support the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Nausea relief. Ginger has been found to be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting related to motion sickness, pregnancy, and chemotherapy. Lower blood sugar. Some studies suggest that ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Heart health. The antioxidants in ginger may contribute to improved heart health by reducing oxidative stress and supporting the cardiovascular function segment. While ginger offers a multitude of benefits, it's essential to be aware of some precautions and potential side effects. Some individuals may be allergic to ginger, and in such cases, consumption can lead to allergic reactions like rashes or difficulty breathing. Blood thinning effects. Ginger has mild blood thinning properties, so those taking blood thinning medications should consult their healthcare provider before consuming ginger in large quantities. Interaction with medications. Ginger might interact with certain medications like blood pressure medications, diabetes, drugs, and anticoagulants. Always seek medical advice if you're on any prescription medications. 4. Upset stomachs. While ginger helps most people with digestion, in some cases, it may cause mild stomach discomfort or heartburn. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before consuming ginger supplements or extracts. Ginger truly is a remarkable root with a wide array of health benefits due to its active ingredients like ginger ale, Shogaol zinger, and Gingerdione, from aiding digestion to boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. It's a natural powerhouse of goodness. Remember, while ginger is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare professional if you have any concerns or medical conditions. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more informative content, and until next time, take care and be well.